Well, good morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Apologies first of all for not releasing a video in some time. Life gets in the way a little bit, and also I've been focusing very much on the Africa Twin refurbishment. And on that note, this video today is looking a bit into the component focus behind the scenes. So taking some of the major components and looking at what I've done as part of the refurbishment of the bike as a whole. So it's a little bit of a close-up, in-depth view of what I've done. Today's video looks at the engine first of all, and then the carburetors. And I'll do a couple more videos looking at some of the other major components as well. So on with today's video. As always, if you like what you see, please hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It's free, costs you nothing, and it really helps the channel and helps me bring videos like this that hopefully you like watching. Here we go. I am so pleased with those. as a float assembly. Well, good morning. So today, exciting day. Well, exciting for me anyway. We're going to do a bit of vapor blasting. Not done vapor blasting before, so it'll be interesting. Let's go and do some vapor blasting. So the shot blasting's going really well, but while Rob's just doing his couple of bits that he brought with him, I thought I'd bring over the road to this building here, which is just a treasure trove of bikes. Let's have a look around. CR80 there, old Transalp here, the original Transalp 600V, 40,000 on the clock. Plenty of life left in that yet. Honda 200R. That's a lovely machine. Kajiva, look at that. Benelli over at the back there. High exhaust. Nice looking bike. The Yamaha sat in the corner on his own. This session I thought we'd look at the carburetors. So I've got some repair kits for the carburetors, refurb kits. So we're going to look at changing all the relevant bits, putting them back together and getting a pair of complete carbs again. Float valve seat in, we've got the main jet in, slow jet. These are all replacements from the refurb kit. We're just going to fit the floats and the float valve. He's been walking around all afternoon having a look at things. That is a complete carburetor. So let's get them put together. Pair of carburetors ready to go back in the bike. Thank you so much for watching, and look out for the next component focus video coming soon.